Don't call my kid. Don't call my kid trash. Don't call my kid trash. What's up? Put your hands on my kid. I have 3 college degrees, bitch. What you got?
Bro, I swear to God, bro.
Yeah, whatever.
Obviously, that's what she said.
Go catch me outside that car. What's up?
Is this a cash me outside? Yeah.
Shut up.
Are we gonna have to get? We're gonna have to call security. We're gonna have to call security. Whoa, whoa, get your.
I was trying to send my son. She wasn't going to shut up. Tell me to shut up. I'm trying to get in here. The woman won't shut up. Why is she crying? Why is she crying? Why is she crying?
Get them out. What you
gonna do, bitch? What you gonna do?
Yo, you're not gonna take all of the ass, you fucking wake up! You wanna be black, you fucking bitch! You don't know nothing?
Oh, this chick's hot. Yeah.
Act like an adult.
Act like a dog.
It's gonna be 1 million views now. It's gonna be 1 million views. You know she voted for Donald Trump, right?
We have to wait.
No, you gotta get her out of my right now. She assaulted me.
Police are coming.
I am a cop's wife. Get her ass. Get your ass, pussy ass. You little fucking
The cops are coming. The cops are coming.